Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing good. It's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been doing the shorts, but I wanted to come on, show you guys this Father's Day gift idea. Not just for Father's Day, but for any type of occasion for a gift for a man with some products here. I'm going to show this to you in detail. I didn't get to show you guys step by step as to how I made this, but I will for I'll try to make a video for any others that I do end up making. Father's Day is coming up in a few weeks. If you haven't already seen this gift option, here it is. This is a Igloo gift basket. So these Igloos, you can get these at Walmart. I know some people get these from Hobby Lobby as well, but Walmart has these. And then the items that I'm using inside as well are from Walmart. So it's basically body care with some undershirts as well as socks and boxers are included in this gift. I have here a face wash. I'm using the Nivea. Majority of everything is from Nivea. So we got the Nivea face wash, Nivea body wash, Nivea body lotion, and Nivea deodorant. In the middle, in the gray bottle, is what you see there is a Dove all-in-one. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Also include the body sponge there. As you can see, this is a 9-quart, 8-liter size Igloo. So it's a pretty decent size. It fits all of that. Also included at the back, I have a bath towel. Again, that's from Walmart as well. The client requested some snacks, so I have trail mix and a Snickers, and I have a pack of the big razors. I believe it's a pack of it was a pack of 3. So as you see there, I'm just showing you a little more details as to everything that I have there. So the socks are what are on the end right beside the white undershirts. The undershirt brand, I believe that was Hanes. And so this particular order was shipped out, and I'm going to show you guys further down in the video the size of box that I used to ship this. To wrap it, I wasn't able to use the standard size clear plastic gift bag wrap from Dollar Tree. So the largest size that Dollar Tree sells, which I believe they only sell that one size with it, which is a pack of 2, but it's pretty big. It's a pretty big size for most gift baskets, and I usually tend to like to use that, but I wasn't able to use that with this particular size. What I ended up using was a fairly large clear bag that usually is used for storage or anything like that. However, because I didn't have my cellophane, my shrink wrap roll, the roll, if I had the roll, then I would have used that. That would have been the best bet to use that. So saying that to say that if you're going to make these and when you're going to wrap this gift basket, I would recommend using the roll, the clear cellophane roll, shrink wrap roll. Use that so then that way you'll know what size, how much you'll need to make it. I'm just showing you here what I use to stick or to adhere a lot of the things inside of this Igloo. So this is double-sided tape, and it's the heavy duty kind. I got it on Amazon, and I used it at the bottom of the self-care products, the body wash, the body lotion, and all of that. I used it there, but also what I've used to prop it up on the inside. And again, guys, I'm sorry, I didn't have a chance to really record while making this, but the base inside of the Igloo, I have some craft paper at the bottom, and then I have a foam board, a black piece of foam board that I cut and measured to the size of the inside of the Igloo. I have that as my base, and then that's where I've added the strips of the glue, the double-sided tape. The strips of that is where I've added that. As you can see here, I've used elastic band to keep the towel in place because again, this is being shipped. So I used the rubber band to keep the towel in place at the back, which is propped up on top of the lid of the Igloo. So again, just back to the inside and the base of the inside of the Igloo, it's a black foam board from the Dollar Tree. I just cut that into the size, and then I placed all the items on top. I did not use a double-sided tape on the clothing. I also used glue dots to keep the items close together. So this is how it looked when I wrapped it. I didn't seal it with the heat gun or anything like that. I could have, and I probably should have, but I didn't, but just to get the wrinkles out of the bag, I guess. But I just really wanted to show you guys this idea for a gift for Father's Day, or gift for any occasion that you're looking for something unique and creative to give to someone, to give to, for a gift for men that they would like. So this is the size of box that I'm using. I get my boxes from Uline, and this is a 20 by 20 by 20 inch box, so it's a fairly larger box. I use these usually for my party favors, for bigger events. I use this size, anywhere between this size or the 15 by 15 by 15. However, this is how deep it looks inside of the box, so it is a pretty decent size, as you can see, and it fit perfectly for this particular gift basket. And then inside I filled it with the packaging cushions, just to prevent it from moving. I also added some more cardboard and framed the sides of the gift basket. Now I should have videoed that part as well, but I really didn't get a chance because this was a rush order, and it was a last minute rush order. So I basically framed it so it doesn't move or shift around, and I used some of the cardboard and foam board pieces to do that, and then as well as adding in the cushions to keep it firm and secure, basically. Then I added bubble wrap at the top as well. So if you guys haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for everyone, all the new subscribers, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.